In this first scenario, we're going to take a look at how real-time information from Nexthink populated into a ServiceNow incident ticket can help your support teams to reduce that mean time to resolution. In this scenario, we have an end user who is contacting the help desk to complain about a slow running PC. Using the information from Nexthink, I can assign the configuration item that the user is contacting us about directly to the incident ticket. And as soon as I do so, you can see that there are a number of tabs that have been automatically populated at the bottom of the incident ticket. So I'm just put in a very brief, short description, and I'll go ahead and save the incident ticket, and then we'll look at that information from Nexthink in more detail. There are a number of tabs of information here, and really the most important for this scenario is the level 1 checklist. And the level 1 checklist provides the support staff with real-time, at-a-glance information into the health of this user's device. And using this information, I can immediately see that this device has issues with CPU utilization. I can also see that there are other issues highlighted within this checklist, and they may be areas that we want to come back to once we have resolved the slow running PC. On the right hand side, I can also see quick links to tasks that can be easily initiated by the support teams. Those tasks can be to gather more detailed diagnostics, such as the tasks at the bottom here, or they can also incorporate automated remediation actions, such as cleaning files from a hard drive, resetting a user's Outlook profile, etc. And Nexthink includes a library of content to enable your support teams to have quick and easy access to automated tasks to remediate issues quickly where possible. In this instance, one of the other options I've got is also to start to interrogate the data on this device in more detail using the Nexthink Finder, and that's exactly what I'm going to do here. And what we see here is a timeline of this user's device, and we can see those instances of high CPU utilization. The timeline in Nexthink is a little like a video recording of issues that have occurred on this user's device, and we can go back in time to start to understand when did this or these issues of high CPU utilization first start to. So very quickly, from logging the ticket in ServiceNow, enhancing that ticket with information from Nexthink, and then using the Nexthink tools to further interrogate this device and issues on this device, we've been able to get to the likely root cause of this user's slow running PC very quickly, and indeed much quicker than we would have been able to without the Nexthink information. This helps to demonstrate how Nexthink integrated with ServiceNow can help you reduce that mean time to resolution.